Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on Motorola Razr 70 Plus. So first, go into the quick settings, right here, click and hold onto the Bluetooth, then disable the Bluetooth and enable again. Go into your Bluetooth device, this gear next to it, and forget. Pair new device, select your device right here, click pair, and if you have still any issues, then just restart your phone and the Bluetooth device. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.